Come with me as we get my dream car from a salvage car lot. We will tour the lot as we wait for them to bring my car, where they also will try to get me to leave with the wrong car. And once I do get my dream 911, we will take it home. And then I will show you what I did do to rebuild it. Now we are driving up to Virginia to pick it up. Yeah, our tire blew on the way up.
Yeah, it's really just a tire.
Dang, that thing blew.
Yeah, we got interesting design. Let's see if we need to take a tire model. We stayed one night in this Holiday Inn in Roanoke, and then we headed up to East Coast Auto in Bedford, Virginia. We went in, got a title, and now we wait for them to bring my 911.
I want the camper.
In the meantime, let's take a look through the lot.
A boat. They got everything over here.
There's really cheap boats.
What's wrong with this truck? It looks normal.
Oh, another Porsche.
That's a Porsche?
The BOXSTER.
A box. It's just a Boxster though. Does anybody even...
They repaired that one already.
Oh.
They do that sometimes, yeah. Yeah, it's the box that's low water flood convertible.
Wow. I want to do this job. That they did a nice job writing everything on here.
It's low water flood. They offer you, they also repair it for you if you want. You have to pay for it, but
Oh.
yeah. The book price 18,000. They sell for 10. Not bad. You need. You know, when there's car sitting a while, they look rough outside, but it's not
Yeah.
that thing.
This is the tiniest little car.
Yeah, it's a Porsche. That's a small Porsche. That's a BOXSTER.
Wow.
It's a second. That. Yeah. Good condition though. Actually, it's really good. Auction cars always look rough from the outside.
It doesn't even look that rough. It's just covered in pollen.
Yeah, pollen. Needs a good wash and detail, and it's nice again. There's not a Porsche.
Where? That's the same car.
That's a Porsche too.
But I want this one.
This one.
That looks like Nepal.
That was my first Porsche. They look not bad. I mean, for auction cars, either they clean them a little bit or... Yeah, I had that one.
What do you mean? That kind of looks really bad to me.
Why? Okay, that looks okay. It's all fine.
Doesn't have a price on it. There's just a Bible in here.
Is it?
Yeah. Was this flood damaged or something? The Bible looks flood damaged.
Title one's normal wear and tear, that no damage.
So why is it here?
I think I see that one about the auction too. I think there is. Smells like 98 in here.
This is familiar to you?
Yeah, I've seen that part.
You've seen that? What?
They had some engine damage here and they changed that out. I've seen that. Yeah. We need 10K for that. It's actually not bad.
Is that your car? No.
Little detail looks new again.
Smells like a flood. Yeah. Ooh, there's a screen in there. I love that. That's what I want. All the cars Kevin gets never have screens. I want Apple CarPlay. Flood camper.
Yeah, flood camper.
Ooh, it's stinky in here. It smells like a flood. But I think it could get cleaned out.
Yeah, it can, probably.
This is where the water was.
Yeah, water line.
So how much is that?
Big water flood. I don't know, I think it's written on somewhere.
This looks like a Hot Wheels car. What the heck? What is this? It's expensive.
It's a weird looking car.
It's a weirdo car. Did you get a spider web?
Yeah. Camaro, $6,000.
Camaro, $6,000.
Yeah. It's not bad. Like for, you know, for 16-year-old or whatever you drive here. Of your age.
Yeah. It's not as bad as the other one.
Not closing anymore.
Ooh, that was a bad crash.
Oh.
So what, it's just for parts now?
Yeah, it's for part. They probably start already. They take out whatever they sell.
Who's gonna take that?
Nobody. Go with the trunk they have here.
I just feel like there's a bunch of snakes over there.
Probably. They're very clean for auction cars, actually.
These are a lot of really good cars for like a teenager.
Yeah, the Camry for 24, for only 19,000 miles. And red interior, it's actually nice. Nice interior, that is perfectly clean then. You'd never see an auction car like
somebody got really sad that this car got here.
Yeah.
I don't like the red interior, but it does look nice. There's even some medicine if you need it. Or something on the floor.
Oh, even on. Battery still intact. They clean them really good.
Yeah.
You would never see an auction car looks like that. Like they are dirty like crazy always.
Somebody smoked in here.
Yeah. They try to cover it up. 109,000 miles already. It looks really good for them. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, turbocharger. Probably had a better turbo. Changed it out. I guess.
Will you buy this for me?
Mm-hmm. That's sitting here for a while.
How do you even get hit like that hard? And how does that even get here?
Look like they
Hit a tree?
tree or something like that. Or...
That's pretty awful.
They're fun to drive, but
Why is it fun to drive?
I mean that's the really sporty and stuff. That's hard.
I like the wood.
Yeah, for the price. You get a lot of car for 6K. Still Maserati, not a Toyota.
Mm-hmm.
Great car. I mean, it's pretty nice inside.
Well, yeah.
I would rather buy that than a Nissan Altima.
Oops. Keisha, you still there? You had this?
Yeah, the coupe.
What's a coupe?
Not soft top.
Oh. Why does it only go up to 70 miles per hour? Is that really?
That's the RPM of the engine.
Oh. Obviously.
Obviously. What if they are like, I think we can't find your car.
We already sold it. It just looks like an old person car. Somebody was having a nap in here. Oh, it comes with a free washcloth. What's this?
Actually, no idea what this is. That's a Nissan Datsun. It's
Really old.
Nissan, yeah, when the beginning years of them.
Wow.
Oh, it smells old.
It smells old.
Look at all the black mold. I don't think it was black, and when you see over there, it was like.
Oh man, ooh. Let's get away from this one.
Free brake pads or brake discs or something.
Wow.
The all-dog generation.
That's a 911.
996.
A 996?
It's a 911, yeah, but it's a 996 model generation. One generation older than mine. That's already repaired.
Looks like an old person car.
It's pretty old, it's 2002.
Oh.
How many miles is it here?
145,000.
That's odd. A lot of miles.
Okay, what are your thoughts?
Good. Good stuff here.
Good stuff here.
Yeah.
Jeep truck.
This haven't found my car, so
Yeah, where's your car?
found a bunch of cars who found mine.
It's one of the newer Volkswagens.
Yeah,
Beetles.
Yeah, the Beetles.
2013, although it doesn't look like...
This pollen makes the cars really look bad.
Yeah.
That's nice inside.
Wow, it's really nice inside. They cleaned it very
They
good.
do clean them there.
Oh, I like the red.
Yeah,
Interior
when you see go
trims.
part, it will be different. Yeah, they will be dirty and they don't clean them, so. This is a girl's
It's really
car.
cute.
They really clean them up.
They really clean it. It's got a lot.
You can fix stuff like that easy.
I have a lot of Jeep trucks around here.
Yeah.
Another Jeep truck.
Come on.
It's a nice Toyota Tundra. Or Chevy Silverado. It's really nice inside.
15K.
What year is that?
19.
You ready to go?
Better be that. too special.
Nothing too special. How much is this?
Okay.
You got pollen all over you.
Yeah.
So most of these cars you can just drive?
Yeah, I guess they rebuild them, like they fix them for you. Okay, I don't open up at all. Oh, that's a wheelchair thing, maybe?
Oh.
I think. Maybe?
Maybe. Yeah, must be.
It's automatic. Yeah, I think it's
Where's my Porsche? Wow, I didn't. That's what a fancy trick that is.
You can open the door. It's really chunky out here.
Ugh, what a mess. There's a lot of stuff in there.
But mainly transmissions and engines.
2 hours later.
Wrong car. I'd have to know which. He said, I'd have to know which one it is. I'm like, yeah, you would have to know that.
Imagine it would be a transporter, they load this car, and then it arrives at my house, and I'm like, that's not my car.
Yeah, because the transporters don't
Yeah,
care.
They don't care.
Yeah, they just come to pick it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Still have an empty trailer.
Yeah.
The guy's probably driving back like, the stupid European won't take any Porsche. He wants some old other Porsche. And this one's not good enough for him, these Europeans.
Yeah.
Do you think that's what he said?
Yeah, that's probably right.
You Europeans. So you almost went home with this.
Yep. Which is,
It looks nice.
well, it's not what I bought.
It's not what you bought, but it looks nice.
10K.
This
Pay
is
more than book price.
yeah. Well, you would have got really ripped.
Where's the engine? Took out the engine off. Here will be a luggage compartment. It's about the same in the line.
Mein Kofferraum.
Dein Kofferraum, ja. Fits a one.
You know how much stuff I have.
It have back seats, so you can put in the back.
It does not have back seats.
Mine will have, that one not, but
Okay.
mine has back seats.
Okay, how long has it been now?
1.5 hours.
Do you think they don't have your car?
Maybe, I don't know. Why it takes them so long, I have no idea. What's so difficult is to get that.
There it is.
They didn't clean it though.
Didn't
I mean,
clean.
they did clean it inside. The ends.
Oh, it comes with a washcloth too.
Yeah.
Kevin, it's got a wreck.
Oh, I did see that. Rachel.
I don't like
What
that.
are we
I
doing
want the other one didn't have a wreck on it.
now? It's secure.
This is very tiny. Just picked up my brand new Porsche. Got my key. It's like my new Porsche 911. Duh. Obviously.
Okay, it's about 1 month later. I have repaired the 911. Let's take a look to it. That is a Porsche 911 997.2, which has the 9A1 engine already, so it's a facelift.
Oh, it's got a facelift?
2011.
Like Botox?
Like Botox, something like that.
Everybody's gonna hate me.
Yeah.
They're gonna be like, get rid of the girl. Okay.
Yeah, it's like Botox, little better look. Had a front end damage, which was the bumper, the headlight, the fender, the wheel, the brake, the subframe, and all the control arms. And the suspension was damaged on the front left. So what we done, we changed out all of the front part, including the subframe, which the fender looked like that before. Something like that. That's what it looked like before with the fender.
Wow.
And
Wonder what happened to it.
probably, I don't know, some front end damage. Difficult to say. And that is the bumper, which was like almost whipped off on the side here. So the full part is missing here. And then we changed out the control arms as well. I don't have the old ones anymore here, but these are some parts I had. So for the front control arm, at least one of them, and another one there.
Do people typically know what this is?
Yeah, I would say if they.
Okay, so it's just
if
me.
They, yeah. If
Okay.
they looking for that kind of cars, yeah, they usually know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am not aware, so forgive me.
What we all changed out was about maybe 40 hours of work, something
40
like that.
hours of work?
Yeah. It would be continuously with all parts directly here. Every maintenance directly done, all the brakes are new, all new suspension, lowering springs, one new wheel that was damaged. There was nothing wrong in the back with it. There was just the front end damage.
Should you lift this up for the video?
It's all original engine, nothing done to it. We just need to clean it up because it's pretty dirty from being in the northern part of America where they had a little more salt than here. What else can I say? Have the nice 911 cluster with the 5 different digits, what do you call them?
5 different
5 different clusters, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know what you call them exactly, but something like that. Which only has 911, but everything else is pretty basic in here. It's a race car, sports car, so nothing too fancy. Has heated heats, which many don't have actually.
It has seated heats.
Yeah, heat seating.
I like that.
Yeah. So that is more or less the only feature that they put in here.
Okay.
The rest is very basic. Black interior and silver color.
Oh, yeah.
Got some new seat belts in matching silver color. Was done by My Airbags in Georgia. They done it since they had to come out directly
Oh, wow.
with the airbags being deployed, so we changed directly to having matching seatbelt colors.
Nice.
Yeah. What was also replaced was the windshield by Safelite. They done a not so great job. So what happened is they ripped off a cable which was the GPS antenna, and as well as the mirror is not really on there right, so it's like rattling and driving me nuts when I'm driving. So the GPS cable is already fixed, but it's still rattling, so I probably have to go there and they have to fix it. And this is a little compartment, still stuff off from recent maintenance, but
All right.
alright. And that's about it, what we
Okay.
can say.
Well, that's good.
And that's my 911. Subscribe to see more in the future.